Hello, we are going to explain four different word problems, and the first one is Judy is the juggler, and she is going to go to Britain's Got Talent, and she prepare the new show. So she needs to ensure she has timing down to a T. So she needs to make T the subject. I'm going to explain how can you rearrange T. So we have this equation. You need to rearrange T. So first you have to multiply both sides by 2. So we have this. This is the new equation, but the purpose of the equation is isolate T. So we have to divide both sides by G. So we have but we haven't finished. We need to take the square root of T for isolate T squared. And this is the new equation. We have T, the subject, and this is the new equation. T can't be negative because the time can't be negative. So the equation will be positive.
Gerard works in a gym. There, his job is to come up with healthy diets for her overweight customers. He needs to know his client's body mass index in order to calculate their dietary needs. To do that, he needs this formula. First, we have to multiply both sides by h squared. So we obtain this. And then we have to divide by the body mass index to isolate h squared. Finally, we have to do the square root of both sides to have only h, not h squared. And this is the final formula.
The kinetic energy of Kenshin's wheel is given by this equation. He needs to break through the rock, so he needs to make W the subject. So we are going to solve this equation. First, you have to multiply by both sides by 2. So you have but you need to isolate W. So we are going to divide both sides by I. And that is equal to, but we haven't finished. We need to isolate W squared. So we have to take the square root of W squared. And this is the equation.
Only the optician have to make a different strength of lenses on a pair of glasses. To do it, we have to rearrange the formula for n. So first, we have here the formula, and we have to divide by the square brackets both sides to have here only n minus 1. But we haven't finished yet, because we have to isolate only n. So to do that, we need to add 1 to both sides, and finally the 1 goes from here to here, and we obtain the n isolated here.